Hi, welcome to the channel. This is the Pixel 6a retail unit bought from Flipkart. It comes with a price tag of INR 43,999 in India. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. To begin with, let us unbox it, set it up, and then look closely into it. This phone comes in two variants, charcoal and chalk. Coming to storage, Pixel 6a is available only one variant, which is 6GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage. Now let us open this box. Inside here we get to see the charcoal variant of Pixel 6a. Let me take the phone out and keep it aside for now. Box here says Pixel 6a Google Tensor. This box has the SIM ejection tool in the back. Inside it we get a quick setup guide, warranty, safety and regulatory guide. Next we get USB-A to USB-C adapter for connecting other devices and a USB-C to USB-C cable for data transfer and charging. Unfortunately, there is no charger in the box. Now let us look closely at Pixel 6a. At the bottom, we have a microphone, a USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer, and one of the stereo speakers. It has the volume up and down button and the power button on the right side. At the top, we have a single microphone right here. Moving along on the left side, we have the SIM card tray. Let me open it up. As you can see, it supports only a single physical SIM card and has no provision to add the micro SD card. If you want to use dual SIM cards, you can use eSIM. The back has glossy finish, Google logo here, and then the camera setup within this dark black strip. The first one is a 12.2 megapixel wide-angle primary sensor and then a 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens. LED flash is here. On the front, we have the 6.1-inch OLED display screen with 60Hz refresh rate. It is 2400 by 1080 with 429 pixels per inch. The screen has Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. Here is the punch hole cutout for the 8 megapixel selfie camera. Now let me power on the device by pressing the power button. The screen is turned down now and the bezels look slightly thick compared to some of the recent phones in this price range. It is booting up and showing as powered by Android along with the Google logo. The phone weighs around 178 grams and has a 4410 mAh battery. It is a flat screen with no curves on the sides. Now I finished setting up the device. These are the pre-installed apps. As expected, all are stock apps with no bloatware. Pixel 6a supports HDR videos. So let us take a look at that by going to YouTube. Here is the 4K HDR video. The screen is decently bright and the video looks pretty good. Coming to audio, it has a stereo speakers and here is the sample audio output. Next, let us look into the camera interface. The phone can record up to 4K video at 60 fps. These are some of the modes available on this phone. Coming to storage, Pixel 6a comes with 128GB of internal storage, out of which around 110GB is available to the user out of the box. Next, let us look at the fingerprint scanner on how fast it unlocks the screen. As you can see, it is pretty fast. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, please share them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. For more tips and tricks, please subscribe to the channel.